I am Sama Kumaratunga. I am from Sri Lanka. I am 25 years old. I am unmarried, but I have relationship 3 years. I don't have children. I work in Kuwait for 2 years, taking care of elderly person. I help with daily activities like feeding, cleaning, cooking, giving medicine, giving foods, keeping the house clean. I also have experience in cooking and housekeeping. I can take in care. I know make in foods. I make Sri Lanka foods and Arabic foods. Example, rice and curry, pasta, macaroni, burger, chicken, meals I make.